Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix when Samsung Galaxy A15 keeps updating issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Then here scroll down and click on software update. Now here you will see a auto download over Wi-Fi button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it back off, and after that go back and here scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on storage. Now after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of settings. Now click on delete to confirm.